Welcome to the True Fitness Service and Documentation YouTube channel. This video is part of a series on the Unite touchscreen console. In this video, we are going to show you how to connect your Apple Watch to the console while on a treadmill. If you touch the Connects to Apple Watch image to the right of the flag at the bottom of the screen, a How It Works text box will appear. The instructions tell you how to connect your Apple Watch to the console using the NFC reader on the console. Simply hold your Apple Watch over the reader. You will hear a sound signaling a connection. Touch Indoor Run as shown. You can now start your workout. Notice the green infinity loop symbol in the top right corner. This confirms your watch is connected to the console. The data from your workout is now synced to your watch, recording real-time data like heart rate, time, distance, and active calories, providing more accurate workout metrics. The watch also uses this connection to sync data back to the Apple Health and Fitness apps, enabling a more complete fitness record. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please feel free to contact your rep or True Fitness directly.